Good morning everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, samahan niyo ako sa a day of my life as a mom of my 2-year-old Filipino-Romanian baby. So we just woke up. It is now 8 o'clock in the morning. And look at our baby boy. He's already eating his yogurt because he's hungry. So ayan, first thing I have to do is to go to the kitchen because I have to make breakfast for Bebe. Today is Saturday. I don't have work, but Bebe has work. So I need to make breakfast for him and also prepare his food for work. I'll cook for him a bacon. I have also here mozzarella. I also have here bagels. So ayan, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 170 degree. Preheat. First, I'm gonna prepare Bebe's food. Ito yung niluto ko kahapon na pansit. Ang dami pang natira and hindi maselan si Bebe, kaya kakainin niya kahit inulit. So, ayan, ilalagay ko sa lalagyan. Ayan, ito yung baon ni Bebe. Lagay tayo ng oil. Una natin lulutuin itong 2 sunny side up egg. Ilagay na natin sa oven. Then, ito. 5 minutes. Ito na yung egg. Naman egg ni Baby Ada. Next naman is bacon. Lagyan na natin itong mga bacon. Lalagyan lang natin ng olive oil. So, okay na rin itong bacon natin. Ayan, ready na yung bagel. Hiwain na natin sa gitna. Lagyan natin ng egg. Pepino. Kaunting ranch sauce. Yeah. They're waiting, both of them. Here's your food.
Wow. Thank you. Yeah. Food dala.
Hungry boy. Look at him. He's enjoying his egg with bagels. Yummy? Do you like your salad?
Yeah.
This is Precious. Only have Saturday and Sunday to have like this kind of breakfast. Monday to Friday, like I said, we always have to run to work. You know, this is a bit of slow morning for me and for Bebe at least because he have time before he go to work. So ayan guys, I'm making our coffee and Bebe's finished eating. At ayan, before siya mag-work, hugasan na muna daw niya yung mga plato. And here's my coffee and his coffee. Do you love your breakfast?
Oh, well.
So, ayan guys, it's time for them to go to work. So, kaming dalawa na lang ni Baby Aiden.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Dada.
Love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Love you, Dada.
Mwah. Yeah, bye. Mwah. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Antay ng gabi na naman yung uwi niya. Say bye-bye, Dada. Sobrang hilig niya sa dinosaur ngayon. Hug. Update. Parang binagyo yung bahay namin. Sa kalaro namin ni Baby Aiden. But it's okay. And guess what? It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Kaya ayan, ang aking baby boy ay nasa kusina na. Because he's hungry. And gusto niya buksan yung rep. Okay. Tingnan niyo, kukunin niyo yung plato niya. Okay. Go sit down. I'll bring you food. Go sit down. And guys, he's making scandal already because he's hungry. So it's rice with pancit. Guys, it is now 1 o'clock here in Belgium. And now, gagawin ko ng gatas si Baby Aiden because he's gonna go to his nap. So, ayan, ready na yung gatas niya at si Baby Aiden nasa kama na dahil antok na antok. Love you. Okay, drink your milk and sleep, okay? Update, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon here now. Gising na si Baby Aiden and actually nakatulog din ako sa tabi niya. And now, ayan, I'm preparing his snacks. Apple. At ayun ang Baby Aiden. He's waiting for snacks. Apple? You want apple? Say apple. Medyo may araw kaya lalabas kami ni Baby Aiden. Dahil kailangan kong bumili ng mansanas. Come on, put your shoes. Come here. Sunday kasi bukas and sarado yung mga tindahan. Kailangan lang niya ng yogurt niya and apple. Rin niya lumabas. Kawawa rin naman kasi hindi kami lumabas ngayon. Baka kasi umulan na naman kaya ayan nilagyan ko siya ng raincoat. Ayan, medyo maaraw naman na, so hopefully hindi umulan. Hey, then stay there. Mommy needs to get the bike. Go to the side. Go to the side. Bike kami ng aking baby boy dahil medyo malayo kapag lalakarin. Pag sa bike siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Ayan, bagal lang naman ako mag-drive. Nandito kami sa park. Hi, Aiden. Hi. Sana hindi umulan. Ayan, dito kami sa park dumadaan. Papunta sa grocery store namin. So, ayan, dito na kami sa grocery store. Para mamili. Umiiyak ang Baby Aiden dahil ayaw niya sumakay sa trolley, of course. So, ayan, ito yung pinuntahan natin dito, yung apple nila. Hold. Can you hold for mama? Okay, let's put apple. 1, 2, 3, more, 4. Yan, mas okay, tumutulong siya sa akin para hindi siya naboboard. Wow, ang dami pala dito sa ilalim. How much we have? 4, 5, 6. Gusto niya siya maglalagay. Okay.
Now?
More? Okay. Malakas naman kami sa apple. Pati yung daddy niya. Okay, good job. No more. We need to put on the scale, Aiden. Put here. We need to scale them. Apple. John Gold Belgium. So, ayan. €3.18. Good job. Thank you for helping, Mommy. Good job. Here. Gusto niya ako tinutulungan eh. What else we need, Aiden? I think we need to get some biscuit for your dad. Meron na kasi kami yung pagkain sa bahay, lulutuin ko mamaya. Chicken a la king. Gawa tayo ng separate video doon. Abangan nyo rin siya. So, ayan. Dito kami sa biscuit section. Kuha na natin ng Pim's yung tatay niya. Paborito niya itong binabaon sa work. Kuha ko ng Prince. Paborito nga pala niya yung Prince. Asan yung Prince? Ito. Ito, he like this. Bigyan natin siya ng isa. Babayaran naman natin. Wait, Mommy, open. Only one. It's good. So, ayun, friends, Pim's na daddy niya. Ano pa ba? Yogurt ni Aiden. Ubus na rin ang aming itlog, I think. So, kailangan ko nang kumuha dahil ang lakas namin sa itlog talaga. Check lang natin kung may basag. So, wala. Okay. Kuha natin si Bebe nito. Paborito niya. Tsaka aioli. At itong biscuit. Dinidip niya. Mamaya kasi after ng work nun, gutom yun. So, healthy naman itong ididip. Tapos, isa siguro nitong puwet. Kuha na natin ng yogurt ang Baby Aiden. Ito yung inaalmusal niya sa umaga. Kailan ba expiration na to? July, okay. Is that all we need, boy? Anyway, hindi ako pwedeng mamili ng marami dahil nakabike kami. 26 euro. Yan lang lahat ng binili namin plus yung apple. So, ayan. Babayaran ko na to doon tapos labas na kami. Hi, Mommy! I love you! Ayan, nasa bus ang baby Aiden. Tapos bumili ako ng scratch card. Sana manalo. So, yung mga number ko, 3, 15, and 12. And wala. Dapat 01 yung meron para makuha ko yung jackpot na 100,000 euro. Pero wala siya. Nice try. Alis na kami, guys. Sakto lang yung mga pinamili ko. Umiiyak ang baby Aiden dahil gusto pa mag-ride ng bus. It's okay. We go bye-bye now. And guys, pauwi na kami. Malapit ng umulan, so kailangan namin makauwi na sa bahay. Sakto lang kami nakauwi sa bahay. Ayan, malakas na yung ulan. Nairaos namin mag-ina kahit kaming dalawa lang. Sit down. Aiden is already eating his dinner. It's 7 o'clock in the evening here. Ayan, medyo mainit. You love the spinach, yeah? Good job. So, ano to? White fish na fillet. Tapos, ayan, ginisa ko siya sa kamatis at nilagyan ko lang ng spinach. Gusto kumain si Baby Aiden and patapos na rin ako dito sa paglilinis ng kusina. Luluto pa ako ng food namin bukas na chicken a la king at baon ni Bebe sa work. Pero, separate vlog na yon kasi sobrang haba na tong vlog natin ngayon. So, abangan nyo na lang yun sa next vlog. No more. You ate already. No. Hihingi pa siya ng cereal. Ayan. Linis na ang ating kusina. Ready na magluto mamaya after matulog ni Baby Aiden. And now, living room naman yung lilinisin natin. So, sa living room, ayan. Mga laruan dito, laruan doon. Aiden, good job. Here, put the book there. Wow. Good job. O, diba? Tumutulong yan. More. Look, more. More. Good boy naman ang aming Baby Aiden. Wow. Good gidan. More? What's this? Wow. Here, put panda. Up. Here, up. So, ayun lang guys. I will end the vlog here. Malinis na ang bahay. Ayos na namin dito ni Baby Aiden. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy in my life as a mom of this Filipino-Romanian baby. So, ayun lang. Please subscribe, leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. And see you in the next vlog. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. Mwah. Say thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you guys. Bye.